Okay, today we're looking at a 2016 certified Honda CRV EXL. It's got 62,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's alabaster silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the lock unlock button here on the door handle. It is equipped with the sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has the lock unlock button here as well. Got your blind spot monitoring camera right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Alright, but everything looks really good on this CRV. Alright, it is a 16, it's certified, 62,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Got the black and gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, got your econ button here, your blind spot monitoring button here. It does have gray leather, power driver's seat, got the perforated inserts here. Driver's seat's in great shape. Alright, it does have the sunroof, keyless entry key fob. It does have your HDMI hookup. Alright, 2 USB ports and a power outlet there. Passenger seat leather looks good. No issues there. Alright, does have your heated seats and another power outlet right there. It is an automatic. Got your push button start, dual climate controls. Got your touch screen right here that'll have the backup camera and whatnot. We'll show you that in a second. Then you'll have another display screen right here. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 62,487 miles. Alright, here's the first display screen. It's going to have your average fuel, your range, it's got your coordinates, the time of day, your radio station. This one right here is your touchscreen display. Alright, it's like your home screen, your home page. We'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. Try to dim that down for you a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then it also has your blind spot monitoring, and you can simply activate that by pressing the button. Okay, or by making a lane change using your turn signal. Alright, and what that does is it just shows you your blind spot visually right there on the display. Nice safety feature that Honda offers. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and step out and take a look at the back seat. Door panels look good. Carpet back here nice and clean. Back seat leather looks good, no issues back here. Everything's in really good shape. Got the cup holders that come down here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the back. Alright, it does have the plastic protector mat back here. Got your spare tire there. Alright, plenty of room back here. Alright. One thing I love about these CRVs, got the handles here. Simply pull the handle, seats go down. Alright, and you can see how much it really opens it up back there. Ton of room back here now. Alright, and then the seats are very light, but very durable. We simply lift them back up. They lock into place. Same thing for this side. Simply lift them up. Pop the seat back down into place and you're good to go. 17-inch alloys. Right, tires are in great shape. Brand new set of tires there. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2016 CRV EXL. Alright, 62,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing is in fabulous shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.